Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter. I'm doing part 3 on my range and hunting truck survival kit, and this is the video about the resupply pack. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know I have another resupply pack in my car. It's got various different types of ammo and magazines, but this resupply pack's centered around a lot of hunting ammo, or some of it is anyway. And we'll get started with this. We'll start over here on the left. A lot of these cartridges are stuff I normally carry and use. Over here we got a 50 round box of 300 blackout. We got a box of 30 Winchester soft points. A lot of people use those. We got a box of 12 gauge number 4 shot Remington Express. Of course, you gotta have 12 gauge buckshot. On top there's a 20 round packet of 7.62 by 3.9 hunting ammo. It's got ballistic tips. And down below it is a 100 round pack of CCI 22 long rifle. And down here you got some 6.5 Creedmoor, a box of 38 special. As soon as I can get the 38 special revolver away from my wife, I'm gonna put that in the truck as the handgun for the truck. So I may have to buy my own 38, but anyway, so go down here. Since there is a 30-06 in my truck, I got an extra box of high velocity 30-06. Got a box of 9mm. Down here I got a box of odds and ends 6.5 Creedmoor. And over here we got the box on the left is 308 full metal jacket, and the box on the right is a small box of soft points for 308. And the pockets on the outside, we got 2 AR mags fully loaded and 1 AK mag fully loaded. In my other resupply pack you'll find the exact same thing. And also we got 3 Glock mags that are fully loaded. Same with my other resupply pack. I got fully loaded Glock mags too. Alright, tubers, this is the SHTF Hunter. I just wanted to show you my resupply pack for my range truck. I'm out.